Sagar Zoology classes. Today we are going to discuss about digestive glands, and the previous class what we learned about, I think, salivary glands. So now we are going to the topic digestive glands. So digestive glands are majorly salivary glands, gastric glands, intestinal glands, liver and pancreas. So the previous class we learned salivary glands completed, and second class gastric glands. So today class is going to gastric glands. So the gastric glands, what are they? So the gastric glands are located the wall of the stomach. So which are located the wall of stomach, under beneath surface epithelium. Surface epithelium. So the wall of the stomach under beneath surface epithelium is located the gastric glands. So three different types of glands is located. So cardiac glands, fundy glands and pyloric glands. So first start cardiac glands. So the cardiac gland secretions, mucus. So the wall of stomach is going to the secretions mucus. So the mucus is a for the protection of stomach. ఓకే. సో కార్డియాక్ గ్లాండ్స్ అనేవి ఉదర భాగంలో ఉన్నటువంటి ప్రాంతమైనటువంటి కార్డియాక్ గ్లాండ్స్ అనేవి మ్యూకస్ని సెక్రెట్ చేయడం వల్ల ప్రొటెక్షన్ అనేది జరుగుతుంది అనమాట. అదేవిధంగా సెకండ్ పాయింట్ ఫండి గ్లాండ్స్. సో ఫండి గ్లాండ్స్ సెక్రేషన్స్. సో దీస్ సెక్రేషన్స్ ఆర్, so they arrange three different kinds of composed cells. So these compose three different cells. So what are they? That means first one is neck cells, and second one is peptic cells, and third one is axanthic cells. So neck cells function. So the neck cells secretions. Is this secretes mucus. So it secretes the mucus. And peptic cells. The peptic cells secretes proenzymes like prorenin and pepsinogen. So these two are inactive enzymes. That means the peptic cells are prorenin and pepsinogen. And coming to axanthic cells. So axanthic cells which secretes the HCl, hydrochloric acid, and essential for vitamin B12. That means casein intrinsic factor. So the casein intrinsic factor for essential for vitamin B12. So these three are especially the fundic cells. And coming to third one is pyloric glands. So the pyloric glands secretes, the secretion of pyloric glands, mucus and gastrin also. Gastrin hormone secretions from the pyloric glands. And coming to, so these two glands, the cardiac glands, fundy glands, pyloric glands, these gastric glands secretions, they entirely, the juice is called gastric juice. So these gastric juice, the pH value is 0.9 to 1.8. So 0.9 to 1.8 pH value. That means the acidic nature in the stomach. So the stomach is digest the different kinds of nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, lipids also. So the gastric juice pH value is acidic nature. So that's why the gastric glands are very important. If may ask the NEET and MCET questions, so Fundy gland secretions, neck cells, peptic cells, oxyntic cells or parietal cells also called, and these three composite cells belongs to the Fundy glands. So Fundy glands, so pyloric gland secretions, mucus and gastric. Isn't clear? So ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, ముందుగా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. చాలామంది వ్యూస్ వస్తున్నాయి కానీ ఎవరు సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోవట్లేదు. దయచేసి సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఈ వీడియోస్ మీరు ఛానల్ని అభినందిస్తారని ఆశిస్తూ నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అనేటువంటి ఇంటెస్టైనల్ గ్లాండ్స్ అని నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ మనం చెప్పుకుందాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ.